So note down, I'll give some information, I'll give some idea to solve the problems in the examination. What I have got an information ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ the students like you, I asked some students like you how they will solve in the examination ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಐಡಿಯಾ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. So they are telling that if I want to score a very good marks andre, listen to me, you will be having 3 hours of examination. Utilize this 3 hours in a proper way. Utilize this 3 hours in a proper way. Physics ಗೆ ನೀವು 45 questions irutte. You will be having 45 questions in physics. To answer for these 45 questions, at least you have to spend 1 hour. 1 hour for physics. 1 hour ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. 1 hour actually exact ಆಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 hour is not enough to solve in physics. So you have to spend at least 1 hour 30 minutes for physics. ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 hour 30 minutes for physics spend ಮಾಡಿ. The remaining biology and chemistry, try to finish it off within 1.5 hour. Try to finish it off within 1.5 hour. Biology ಮತ್ತೆ chemistry na 1.5 hour finish ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ try ಮಾಡಿ. Try to finish it. So you have to read 1 hour 30 minutes physics questions ಗೆ spend ಮಾಡಿ time. This is how they are doing ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Sir, we will finish off chemistry and biology first. We'll finish off chemistry and biology first. So we will make huge time to solve problems related to physics. Physics ಅಲ್ಲಿ confusion statement ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ when compared to chemistry and biology. Correct? Confusion statement. What about checking part, sir? Checking part, yes, within that only you had to do, Tanisha. Checking part and everything we had to do there itself. Within that, we had to read, we had to answer. That is what we had to do right now. In NEET exam preparations andre why we are giving test anta kelidre, because to make sure that you have to finish everything within 3 hours. Time na split ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು time na proper ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, I agree with that. ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So I'm speaking about offline. Offline ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹಿಂಗೆ. Online I agree with that. Network issues irutte. If network goes wrong, 3 hours 30 minutes for 3 hours 15 minutes ಇದೆ. 3 hours 15 minutes ಇದೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Fine, no problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 115 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರು ನಾವು 3 hours ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ. If you calculate for 3 hours, so 3 hours ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಟೈಮ್ ನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ. Try to do that from next test. Offline ಬಂದ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Finish off chemistry and biology first. Chemistry and biology na complete ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Right? It will take 90 minutes. One biology ಗೆ 90 minutes. Within 90 minutes we have to finish. One question 1 minute ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು 90 minutes ಗೆ complete ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So try to do this. This is what they have given. This was the information given by your friends. Those who have succeeded in their examinations. So chemistry ಮತ್ತೆ biology na fast ಆಗಿ complete ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ಸರ್ ನಾವು. Physics ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊತೀವಿ 1.5 hour. I think 1.5 hour is also less for physics. Fine. ಇಲ್ಲಿ proper ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ 1.5 hour ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ physics ಗೆ. So that 1.5 hour ಗೆ if you get question paper like this, what we have given yesterday, ಈ ತರ question paper ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ 1.5 hour ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Conceptual ಅಂದ್ರೆ no, calc is not provided, Tanisha. Calc is not provided. You are not supposed to use calculators in the examination. You are not supposed to use calculators in the examination, right? So calculators are used ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, right? So ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಫ್ರೀ ಇದ್ದ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬನ್ನಿ. I tell how to practice the questions ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. when you come to a college ನಾನು ಬರ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ help you. When you are free, ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿನ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಂದು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you can implement in your examinations, right? Call in board exams is provided, right? Yes, Priyanka, they will provide in board exams. So if you have any time, you come to the college. Yavaganu sanje on 4 o'clock, sorry, class in the time of the class ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ after class also you can come. Call ಮಾಡಿ, sir, I'll be waiting by 5 only. So ಬಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So this is the right time to start, right? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? So shall we move? Solving a problem based on this. It is more solving a problem based on this, right? My intention is that my students should score very good marks in the examination. Asked it. Nothing else apart from that. I don't want to those we want to score a very good marks ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನನಗೆ. Nothing else apart from that, right? Shall we start solving a problem? Question number 1 ಇಂದ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಬೇಗ ಮುಗಿಸೋಣ. If possible, we'll start solving a problems of connected bodies, right? 45 questions ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅಂತ. Each and every questions discuss ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Start ಮಾಡೋಣ. Right, hi Josh, right? A rider on a horseback falls when horse starts running all of a sudden because. Very good. A rider on a horseback andre male ಕೂತವನೆ, horseback rider on a horseback falls when horse starts suddenly because. The answer for this you know very well. Inertia of rest keeps the upper part of a body at rest, whereas lower part of a body moves forward with an horse. The option number for this question is 3. I think you don't have any doubt in this problem number 1. First problem ಏನು doubt ಇಲ್ಲ, answer is 3. We have discussed a lot of things related to this. ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. We have discussed about this, right? When a train stops suddenly, same question, same answer. Sorry, different question, same answer. Sorry, different question, same answer. When a train stops suddenly, the passenger in a running train feel an instant jerk in the forward direction because upper part of the body continues to be in the state of motion, whereas the lower part of the body in contact with the seat remains at rest. Option for question, sorry, answer for the second question is also 3. And we have discussed this kind of questions. E example discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ regular classes, right? Inertia is a property of a body by virtue of body is. What is an answer for this? Inertia is that property of a body by virtue of which the body is unable to change by itself the state of rest, unable to change itself by the state of motion, ಎರಡು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Unable to change by itself the direction, ಮೂರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Unable to change by itself the state of rest or uniform linear motion. So option for this is 4th. Option for this is 4th. Very good. You can answer. 4th option is right for this. A man getting down a running bus falls forward because due to inertia. ಯಾವುದು? Inertia of motion. Due to inertia of motion. Correct. Due to inertia of motion, upper part of a body continues to be in the state of motion in downward direction. Sorry, forward direction. While feet comes to rest as soon as they touch the ground. So option for this is 2nd. Right? 4th question. 2nd option. 2nd. If you have doubt, you can stop me and ask. Stop ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿ. Options ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ options ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ. A boy sitting on a topmost berth in a compartment of a train, ಮೇಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, topmost berth in a compartment of a train, which is just going to stop on a railway station, drops an apple aiming at the opposite end of his brother sitting vertically below his hands at a distance about 2 meters. Full stop. The apple will fall. You can answer for this question. Precisely on his brother hand. In ಮೇಲೆ the train ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, it's moving and you will drop an apple from the top. The train is moving and you will drop an apple from the top. Top in the apple na drop ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ side. Does it reach as the hands of the brother? Train move ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, apple move ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So does it falls on his hand? No. Precisely on his hand? No, never. Slightly away from his hand of the brother in the direction of motion of a train. Apple in drop ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Apple is also moving with the velocity of a train. So it will drop slightly away from the ends in the direction of the train or opposite to the direction of the train. In the direction of the train. So hence the option.
In the direction.
Yes, super. In the direction. Hence the answer for this question is 2nd. The 6th question is very simple. The 6th question is very simple. Newton's first law of motion describes the following: energy, work, inertia, moment of inertia. 6th question. Answer is 3. Inertia. Moment of inertia andre is a kind of a force which is responsible for rotation of a body na moment of inertia anta kariti. Next chapter sir barutte, don't take it. A person sitting in an open car moving at a constant velocity throws a ball vertically up into air. The ball falls outside the car, number 1, Second one, in the car ahead of a person. Third, in the car to the side of a person. Fourth, exactly in the hands which throw it up. What is the answer for seventh? What is the answer for option 4?
Four.
Option 4 is right for seventh. Exactly into his hands. Car constant velocity ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Velocity ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯ. Throws like this. It is also going with constant velocity. He is also going with constant velocity. Again, it come back to its hand only. Correct? No acceleration, support. No acceleration. Next one. 8th one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 8th question ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. A bird weighs 2 kg and it is inside a closed cage. Kind of a cage. Cage. This is cage. Closed one. And bird is here. And bird. Bird I don't know, right? So I write it as a bird. Right. It is flying inside a cage. The bird is flying inside a closed cage. The bird weighs 2 kg. The weight of the bird is 2 kg and the weight of the cage is 1 kg. Correct, 1 kg. It's flying. It start to fly. And it close again. Does it go out of the cage? Cage closed.
No.
It will fly inside a cage. Then what is the weight of a bird and a cage assembly? Total weight is 3 kg. Fly total weight of the cage is 3 kg. 3 kg. Confusion. So I think they got an answer for this question. A particle is moving with constant speed along a straight line path. The force is not required to. This question is confusion. What is the answer for 9th? A particle is moving with constant speed along a straight line path. The force is not required to increase its speed, decrease the momentum, change the direction, keep it moving with uniform velocity. What is the answer for this? 9th question. Particle moving with constant speed along a straight line path. A force is not required to increase the speed. Of course, if I want to increase the speed, force is required. Change the momentum, decrease the momentum. Change the momentum means decrease the momentum. If I want to stop, I have to apply the force. Change the direction. If I want to change the direction which is moving linearly with constant velocity, I need to apply a force. Keep it moving with uniform velocity. If I want to maintain that uniform velocity, it's already moving. So I don't want any force to keep it moving with uniform velocity. So hence the option for this is 4. 9th question option is 4. Right. 10th question. When bus suddenly takes a turn, the passengers are thrown outside because of. When bus suddenly takes a turn, the passengers are thrown out because of inertia of motion, acceleration of motion, speed of motion, both B and C. Question number 10. What is an option for this? What is an answer for this? When a bus suddenly takes a turn, the passengers are thrown out because inertia of motion, acceleration of motion, speed of motion, both A and B. Option number 1 is inertia of motion. Specific direction, no sir, yes, exactly, I'm telling Brahmara. Specifically, if they have given the word direction, if they have given inertia of direction, then you have to select inertia of direction. If they have not given inertia of direction in the option, they have given inertia of motion, we have to select inertia of motion. Specific inertia of direction anta kottidre, even option number 3 nalli instead of speed of motion, if they have given direction, inertia of direction, we have to select third option, not the first there. But relevant answer for this, a nearby answer for this question is in the option 4 is inertia of motion. Correct? Inertia of motion. So if a bullet of mass 5 gram moving with velocity 100 meter per second penetrate the wooden block up to 6 centimeter, the average force imposed by the bullet on the block is. Madila questions answers Madila questions here. Very simple question. We already solved these questions in our 9th standard. The next one. 9th standard based question. They have given initial velocity of the bullet is 100 meter per second. And they have given distance traveled by it is 6 centimeter and meter convert 0.06 meter. They have given 6 centimeters. I have converted. And finally, the bullet will come to rest. The final velocity of the bullet is 0. Then they are asking us to find a force exerted by a block. F they are asking us to find the value of F. I know the formula for F is equals to M into A. They have given M1 per M is equals to how much they have given? 5 gram ಇದೆ 5 gram ಇದೆ. So M is equals to 5 gram. Kg convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5 into 10 power minus 3 kg. 5 into 10 power minus 3 kg. But they have not given the value of A. A find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. First I have to find out the value of A. U ಗೊತ್ತು S ಗೊತ್ತು V ಗೊತ್ತು. Equation of motion ಯಾವುದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? V square minus U square is equals to 2A.
Yes.
2A. V is 0 minus U is 100 into 100 divided by 2 times of S is 0.06. So that is equals to A. Therefore A is equals to minus ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಬರಲಿ minus ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಬರಲಿ plus ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಬರಲಿ don't take tension. Minus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬರಲಿ. So 100 ಇದೆ 10 power 2 4 ಆಯ್ತು divided by 10 power 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ರೈಟ್ 2 into 6 into 10 power minus 2. So A is equals to calculator ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು. So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ 6 2s are 12 into 10 power 2 ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು. So that is equals to minus 10 power 6 divided by 12. So this is A. I got the value of A. So if I substitute the value of A in F, F is equals to M into A. M is 5 into 10 power 3 minus 3 into A is 10 power minus 6 divided by 12. 10 power minus 6 divided by 12. Right? So numerator ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 500 ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. minus 6 ಆಯ್ತು plus 6 plus 6. This is plus 6. 5 into 10 power 3 divided by 12. So numerator is 5000 divided by 12. So that is equals to 417 Newton. 417 Newton. 417 Newton. Actually it is in minus. Magnitude ಮಾತ್ರ calculate ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So we just calculated the magnitude. Magnitude ಮಾತ್ರ calculate ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Right? No doubt in this question. Question 12. Second law of motion gives the measure of. Second law of motion gives the measure of. Option 1.
Force.
Acceleration, force, momentum, angular momentum. It gives about force. Force. Next question. A force of 100 dyne acts mass 5 gram for 10 seconds. The velocity produced is. They have given answer in centimeter per second. Need not to convert anything. ಏನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 100 dyne. 100 dyne is force. 100 dynes is force. Acting on a mass of 5 kg. M is equals to 5 kg. 5 gram or 5 gram. So time for this is equals to 10 seconds. Don't convert anything because they have given answer in centimeter per second alide. Centimeter per second is the answer. Don't want to convert anything. What they are asking? They are asking us to find the value of V. If I want to calculate the value of V, I need the value of A. A ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. I know that F is equals to M into A. A is equals to F by M. F is 100 divided by 5. So therefore acceleration is equals to 25 centimeter per second square. Acceleration is 20 centimeter per second square. So we know that V is equals to U plus 80. force, the velocity produced, the force of 100 in action, yes. Initial velocity of a body is 0, u plus 80 the body. So v is equals to u is 0, a is 20, into time is 10 seconds. So that is equals to 200 centimeter per second. 200 centimeter per second. Correct. 200 centimeter per second. Question number 14. Any doubt with this question? Shall we move? Any doubt in this question? Ilana? No, sir. We'll move. An object will continuously moving uniformly until. An object will continue move uniformly until the resultant force acting on it begins to decrease. The resultant force on it is 0. The resultant force is at right angle to its rotation. The resultant force on it is increases continuously. What is an answer for this question? Question number 14, get answer right here. What is the answer for this? Object will continue moving uniformly until ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. The net force on it is 0. If the net force changes, then it will change its state. If net force does not changes, it will be moving. Next question, 15. A parachute of weight W strike the ground with his legs fixed and comes to rest when upward acceleration of magnitude 3g. The force exerted on him by the ground during landing is. This question is doubt in You had doubt in this question. 15th question. What is the answer they have given? Let me check. Nanik 4W barbeku anta nanige ide sir, but let me check what they have given in this. They're asking us to find out the resultant. What is the answer for 15th one? Parachute of weight W strike the ground with his legs fixed and comes to rest with an upward acceleration of magnitude 3g. Upward 3g upward. Force exerted on him by the ground during landing is. Force exerted on him. Force exerted on him by the ground. Force exerted on him by the ground. This force na calculate. What is an answer for this? What is an answer for this? Option 2, option 2, option 2. Right. Note again. Weight acting in upward direction. This is upward direction. This is in this direction. Weight is in this direction. So, yesterday, parachute weight W strikes. Okay, fine. The magnitude of acceleration upward. Magnitude of and the upward acceleration is 3g upward. This is acceleration acting upward. And I have to find out force exerted by the ground on a parachute. Force exerted by the ground on a parachute. Observe madi. E direction is acceleration positive. Acceleration in this direction positive. Correct? Correct. Right. Don't take this. Next can enter the force exerted by on him by the during the landing. Parachute by land aitu. The force will be exerted on him. W is equals to weight of the weight is given. Okay, fine. 3 times of W is force which is acting in this direction. Correct. Similarly, it is also react for this. Similarly, it is also react for this, but they have not given the value of that. Force exerted on him by the ground during landing is. Force exerted by him on the landing is. Let me assume the weight of this. You will weight to W in the force exerted on him is this. This downward with opposite. So, nan prakara enaito. Iduna positive tagonde W minus of minus 3W anta tagonde. So, therefore, we got an answer is 4W. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವನಿಂದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ವೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ W ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 3W ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಐ ಟೇಕನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ -3 ತಗೊಂಡೆ, W ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ W 3W ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಐ ಟೇಕನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 4W. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ವೇಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗೋ W ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ವೆದರ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಡೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 13 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ನನಗೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್.
ಸರ್ W ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಹಾ, W ಪ್ಯಾರಾಚೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇಟ್ W ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್, ಅದು ವೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಚೂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ವೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಚೂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಿಂಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಮಗೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಈ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ W ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಚೂಟ್, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ W ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಎಸ್, ಎನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಇದೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವೇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ವೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಹಿಂಗೊಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್ W. Are you getting my point, sir? 3g is an acceleration in downwards, so therefore weight acting downwards is 3W.
Sir, 3B upward no sir.
3D up, 3B up, downward ತಾನೆ 3B, 3W ನೋಡಿ, acceleration is upward.
3B upward ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
3W upward ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, 3W upward ಅಂತ. ಇದು W ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ, ಇದು ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ತಗೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 3W ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ W ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್. ಈಗಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ W ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 3W ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 3W ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ W ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಮೈನಸ್ W ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, 4W ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ 4W. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ 4W ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್, ಸಾರಿ ಇದು 3W ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ W ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 4 ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
So 3W we should take positive.
ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದಿಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 4W ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 4W ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಉಲ್ಟನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೈನ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ 4W ಅಗೇನ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ದೇ ಆಡ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್, right? So answer for 15th one is 4th. Next 16th. 16. At a place where the acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square, force of 5 kg weight acts on a body of mass 10 kg. Initially at rest, the velocity of a body after 4 seconds. Same. Peak time ಮಾಡವಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. A is equals to F by M ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, V is equals to U plus 18 ಮಾಡಿ. You will get an answer for B. A is equals to F by M ಅಲ್ಲಿ force is 50 divided by mass is 10. Therefore acceleration is 5 meter per second square. So V is equals to 0 plus 5 into time they have given it as 4 into 4. Therefore V is equals to 20 meter per second. This is 60. 20 meter per second. Any doubt with 16 any doubt idea? Shall we move forward? Bega 17. In 45 questions will go back till we have only 20 minutes of time. Right. A ball of mass F is equals to 0.2 kg. F is equals to 0.2 kg. Velocity V is equals to 20 meter per second. Next, time is equals to 0.1 second they have given. Then the force on a ball is. The force on a ball is F is equals to formula, M into A. F is equals to formula M into A. We know that M into A formula, delta V by delta T. Correct? Change in velocity by change in time. Right, sir? Change in velocity by change in time. Therefore, M is equals to 0.2. Change in velocity they have given it as 20 divided by time 0.1. So hence we'll get answer as 40 seconds. So sir, 20 change in time and change in velocity and sir. Initial velocity is 0. Change in velocity is 20 na.
Sir, final velocity 0 no, sir.
Final velocity is 20. Initial velocity is 0. Change. A ball of mass 0.5 kg moves with velocity 20 and it stops. Exactly. This is initial velocity though. This is initial velocity. And final is 0. Change is 20 na. I'm not defining the direction of the force. I'm just finding the magnitude of the force in this. Minus x the reason behind that is I'm calculating only the magnitude. Direction is a problem. They are not asking us to find the direction of the force. They are asking only to find the magnitude. Change within 20. Right. Question number 18 also the same. The vehicle of 100 kg is going with a velocity 5 meter per second to stop in 1/10 second. The required force in opposite direction is, they have given the force direction, need to take things on. You look at the same formula use for changing velocity find out. 18th one. So same formula, F is equals to M into A. M is 100 into change in velocity is 5 divided by time is 1/10 0.1. 1/10 0.1. 500. 5,000. 5,000. F is equal to 5,000. 18th one. 19th one. Stop madi, doubt is a stop madi, 5,000 Newton. 19th one. A force of vector applied on a mass of 6 I cap minus 8 j cap 10 k cap and accelerate with 1 meter per second square. What will be the mass of the body? Mass of the body find out for F is equal, M is equal to F by A. Magnitude of the force I calculate for we know the formula. So 6 square plus 8 square plus, you know this way, 10 square divided by acceleration is 1. So numerator is to answer. So that is numerator 200. So that is nothing but 10 root 2. 10 root 2. 10 root 2. So 20, right? Done? Bega respond ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ SS ಅಂತ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we move forward ಬೇಗ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. 20th. The average force necessary to stop a bullet of mass 20 gram. 20 gram ನ kg ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. mass 20 gram ನ kg ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 20 into 10 power minus 3. Mass is given. Moving at the speed of v is equals to 250 meter per second. 250 meter per second, and it is penetrating into a wooden block. Distance S is equals to 12 centimeter. Then what we have to find? We have to find out the force. F is equals to what? F is equals to M into A. M into V square minus Q square divided by 2A. 2S. V square minus Q square divided by 2S to find the value of A. So M value they have given it as 20 into 10 power minus 3 into penetrate and it will become stop. So change in velocity is 250. Change in velocity is 250 square divided by 250 square. 250 square divided by 2 times of S is 12 centimeter. Centimeter na meter convert ಮಾಡಿ minus 2. 12 into 10 power minus 2 meter. I think I have converted everything, right? Meter per second, kg, right? Meter later. Calculate ಮಾಡಿ, you will get an answer for this. So I got an answer as 5.2 into 10 power 5 Newton per. Check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, cancel ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, cancel ಮಾಡಿ. So remaining is 5.2 into 10 power 5. 5.2 into 10 power 3 ಬಂದ. Right. 5.2 into 10 power 3. Correct. 5.2 into 10 power 3. Option is 10 power 5. 10 power 3. So 21 is also same. 21 is also same kind of question. So they have given 65 centimeter to 15 centimeter. Change. Let's try with that. 45, 40, 40. 40 is changed. 21. Same kind of question. The average restoring force. F is equals to M into A. M they have given it as 5 into A change 65 minus 15. 65 minus 15 40. 65 minus 15 40 divided by 0.2 second. 0.2 second. So you get an answer as 12.5 Newton. 12.5 Newton. Correct. So next 22 is also same. 22 is also same kind of question. A body of mass 2 kg moving with velocity 8 meter per second is smooth for 4 seconds. F is equal to M into A formula. M is 2 into change in velocity is 8 divided by time is 4. So the answer is 4 Newton. 4 Newton. Right? Shall we move forward? 23. Same kind of question. Same formula. Same kind of question, same formula. 23 is also same. 23 is also same. 30 gram bullet initially traveling with 120, penetrate 12 centimeter into a wooden block. The average resistance exert on a bullet is same kind of problem with it. So answer for this is fourth. Fourth answer for the check mark 1800 Newton. Same formula. F is equal to M into A. A find out model F is equals to V square minus U square divided by 2A. 2S. Meter, gram the kg convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ centimeter meter convert ಮಾಡಿ done 24 sir ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ slow 24 a body of mass m collide against a wall with a velocity v and rebounds with the same speed. The change in momentum is ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ m into v ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ m into v rebound ಆಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ m into v. What is change now? ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ m into v minus of m into v. So therefore answer is 2 times of m into v. 2 times of m into v. Very good, nice, super. Next question. Second kind of question. Same kind of question repeats again. A ball of mass 0.5 kg moving with a velocity 2 meter per second strike a wall normally and bounce back with the same speed. If the time of contact between the ball and the wall is 1 millisecond, then the average force exerted on the ball is. So they have given, we have to find out the force average. Force can be calculated by using formula delta P by delta T, change in momentum divided by delta T. So change in momentum O give wapas bantu 2 times of me divided by delta T. So mass they have given 2 into mass they have given 0.5 kg into velocity they have given 2 meter per second divided by 1 millisecond means 10 power minus 3. 1 millisecond means 10 power minus 3. So therefore total answer is 2000 Newton. Question number 25. Momentum change ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಹೋಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 2 times of m na ಹೋಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 2 times of m. Very good. Next 26. 26. A time in which force Q Newton produces a change in momentum is 0.4 in the body is. The formula to find is F is equals to delta P by delta T. They have given, they are asking us to find the delta T. Delta T is equals to delta P by F. Delta P they have given 0.4 and force is 2. Therefore answer is 0.2 second. 0.2 second. 0.2 second. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಲೋವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. The next question is very important. 27. Listen to me now. Boxes they have given A, B, C. The mass of the first is 1, into mass 8, into mass 27, and the force which is acting in this direction. So T3. ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, T1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, T2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, T2. So T2 acting in this direction and T2 acting in this direction. ಇಲ್ಲಿ T1 ಇದರಿಂದ T1 acting in this direction, T1 acting in this direction, and they have given T3 is equals to 36. T3 is equal to 36. What they are asking us to find? Find T2. They are asking us to find the value of T2. Listen to me carefully. Find the value of T2. Nice. Super. Find the value of T2. ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. T2 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮರ್ಜ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ 27 plus 8 plus 1 36 kg. Right? Force which is responsible for momentum is 36. Force is responsible for the momentum of a body is 36 minus 0 is equals to 36 into A. Therefore A is equals to 1. A is equals to 1 meter per second square. Super. Next they are asking us to find the value of T2. T2 calculate ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. T3 minus T2 is equals to 27 into 1. Is it right? Force responsible for momentum, opposing force is T2, is equals to 27 into 1. Right. Therefore T2 is equal to 36 minus 27, that is equals to 9. Any doubt in this? This time doubt there. Maximum of 1 minute. Formula ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ we will not find, madam. We don't use the formula for this. Acceleration find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, D2 find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next question. Same boxes. How many of you have got an answer for 28? 28 yes no answer ಬಂತು. How many of you tick right answer for 28? 28 yes ಜನಕ್ಕೆ right answer ಬಂತು. No. No na. 28. What is there in this? They have given 3 boxes. Gamma 1 connected to Gamma 2 connected to Gamma 3, and the T is acting in this direction. 3 solids M1, M2, M3 are connected with weightless string in successive and are placed on a frictionless table. If M3 is dragged with the force of T, M3 is dragged with the force of T, then the tension in a string between M2 and M3. Let me call the tension here is T1 and T1. Let me call the tension here is T2 and T2. First find the value of A. Find out ಮಾಡೋಕೆ split apart. T is responsible for momentum minus 0 is equals to M1 plus M2 plus M3 into A. Therefore A is equals to T divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3 into A. Find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾವು. A is equals to this much. Got sir. Me sir. So go. Next ನೋಡಿ, they are asking us to find the value of T1. T1 calculate ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. T1 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. T minus T1 is equals to M3 into E. T minus T1 is equals to M3 into A. They are asking us to find the value of T1. ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ. So T minus M3 into A is equals to T1. Therefore T1 is equals to T minus M3 into, put the value of A. T divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. What is the LCM here? M1 plus M2 plus M3 is LCM. What is left in numerator? Numerator line ನೋಡಿ T into M1 plus M2 plus M3 minus what is left here? M3 into T. M3 into T. T common in the numerator. M3 get cancelled. M1 plus M2 into T divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. How many of you got this answer? M3 cancel away. M1 plus M2 into T divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. It is there. Next question. Three boxes of masses M1, M2, M3 are connected by a mass string as shown in the figure. They are pulled with the force. They are pulled with the force. T3 is equal to 40 Newton. If M1 is equal to 10 kg, M2 is equal to 6, and M3 is equal to 4 kg, the tension T2 will be. Not fast answer. Boxes they have given M1, M2, M3, and it is pulled with T3. This is T2. Similarly, we will be having T2 here. This is T1. Similarly, we will be having T1 here. And this is pulled with the force 40. And the mass of the boxes are given. M1 is 10. Ido 6. Ido 4. So what they are asking us to find? Tension T2. We have to find T2. To find T2, what I have to find? Acceleration first. Acceleration find out madake. Merge. 40 minus 0 is equals to 10, 20 into A. Therefore, A is equals to 2 meter per second square. Sir, 2 meter per second square. They're asking us to find the value of T2. T2 calculate madಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿ sir. 40 minus T2 is equals to 4 into 2. 40 minus 8 is equals to T2. Therefore, T2 is equals to 32. Any doubt with this? Sir, formula ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆವರೆಗೂ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸರ್. So this is the method to solve. Easy ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Method to solve. Next block ನೋಡೋಣ. 2 kg, 3 kg, 5 kg. Pulled with 10 Newton. T1, ಇಲ್ಲಿ T1, similarly T1 here. T2 here. So they are asking us to find T1. T1 I calculate ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಿಂಗ್ pull ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Force na calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Acceleration find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ first. 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. So therefore A is equals to 1. Correct. Find the value of T1. T1 find out ಮಾಡಿ. 10 minus T1 is equals to 2 into 1. So therefore A is equals to T1. Sir, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನೀವು? ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದ ಈ ವೈರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ T1 ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಅದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 kg ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ T1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ T1 ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ. ದೋಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್. ಅವೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, T1 ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Right? Next question. Swimming is possible as a yes. How many of you did this mistake? ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ? T1 ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? I know that you have taken T1 in this direction. 10 T1 in the same direction. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇಂದ T1 ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅವೇ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು 3-4 ವಾರ, ಒಂದು ವಾರದಿಂದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡೋದವರು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ T1 ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇಂದ ಅವೇ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಬ್ಲಾಕಿಗೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್. ದ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್. Keep in mind while solving for the next time. Right? Swimming is possible on account of third half motion. No doubt in this. Swimming is possible because of third half motion. When we jump out of a boat standing in a water, it moves backward. Now, in Ache Agrodre, as wapas backward with the boat. No doubt in this. A stationary Nile boat, air is blown to the snail from a fan attached to a boat, the boat will remain stationary. Then problem 33. A block lying on a table, what is an angle? Must be an action of book and a block. Blocking act the booking act. What is the angle between these two? 180 degree. Male one force, Kelag one force, 180 degree. A student attempting to pull himself with a tugging of his ear, he is not succeeded. Not acknowledged option. Question number 4. As force applied is internal to the system. Internal force will not change the system. Question number 36, I think you have answered. Question number 36B is an answer for this. Question number 36 is 2. And question number 37, Lodi, a block of 5 kg is suspended by a spring balance on an inclined plane as shown in the figure. The spring balance is measured. Andre, it's massless at the end. The mass which is acting downwards is mg sin theta. Mg sin theta. Substitute the values for this, we get an answer. 5 kg, G is equals to 10. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, so that is equals to 5 5 is 25. The no problem. I have given this intentionally, this problem. Problematic 41 is the tension in the spring is 5 Newton each. 5 Newton what is the tension in the spring? 5 Newton. 5 Newton. Answer for this is 5 Newton. Pulling it with this 5 Newton, 5 Newton. 5 Newton. Illa. Tension in the spring remains same. Tension in the spring remains same. 5 Newton tension. And 43 nodi. 43 we have to use the formula. Now jet, liquid jet formula find out madkotiddane. Liquid jet ali. Yen formula barutte liquid jet ali. 2 mv cos theta by t. F is equals to find the value of F. 2 mv cos theta by t. This formula use ಮಾಡಿ for 43. I derived this formula for you. This formula derive ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ 2 mv cos theta by t. Correct. So that is the problem. You solve the remaining problem. If you have doubt, make a list of that and tell me that we will solve again. Right? Right? ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕಂದ? 1 minute.